In real estate, relationships are everything. Building trust and fostering connections is key. Email marketing nurtures these relationships over time. Think of it as a digital bridge. It keeps you connected and drives sales. Email offers direct communication, share expertise, showcase listings, build rapport. Unlike social media, email lands directly in inboxes, deliver targeted messages, build lasting connections. Before you hit send on your next email campaign, build a high-quality email list. Think of your email list as your most valuable asset. Make it easy for people to subscribe. Offer valuable incentives to encourage signups. Ensure compliance with data privacy regulations. Quality trumps quantity. Regularly clean your email list. Imagine sending the same generic email to every single person on your list. Not very effective, right? That's where segmentation comes in. It's like separating your audience into different groups based on their interests, needs, and where they are in their real estate journey. Segmentation allows you to tailor your message for maximum impact. Instead of sending a generic newsletter, you can send targeted emails that resonate with each segment. For example, you can create segments for first-time homebuyers, luxury property seekers, or investors. By understanding the unique characteristics of each segment, you can provide them with relevant content and offers that address their specific needs. This personalized approach leads to higher engagement, click-through rates, and ultimately, conversions. Use your email marketing platform's segmentation tools to divide your list based on demographics, interests, purchase history, and more. Remember, the more relevant your emails are, the more likely people are to open, read, and take action. Segmentation is the key to unlocking that relevance and maximizing the effectiveness of your email marketing. Now that you have a segmented list, it's time to craft content that truly resonates with your audience. Remember, people's inboxes are flooded with emails. To stand out, your content needs to be valuable, informative, and engaging. Instead of bombarding your audience with constant sales pitches, focus on providing value with every email. Share insightful market updates, expert tips on buying or selling a home, and neighborhood guides highlighting local amenities and attractions. Don't be afraid to showcase your personality and expertise. Share your insights on the local market, offer tips for staging a home, or provide advice for first-time buyers. Use a variety of content formats to keep your emails fresh and engaging. Incorporate videos, images, infographics, and even interactive elements to capture attention and enhance the reader experience. Remember, your goal is to position yourself as a trusted advisor, not just a salesperson. By providing valuable content that educates and informs, you'll build stronger relationships and increase the likelihood of converting leads into clients. Section 5. Designing emails that shine, grabbing attention and inspiring action. You've crafted compelling content. Now it's time to package it in a visually appealing and on-brand email design. Remember, first impressions matter. Your email design should capture attention, reflect your brand identity, and make your content easy to digest. Use a clean and responsive template that adapts seamlessly to different screen sizes. Incorporate your brand colors, fonts, and imagery to create a cohesive and professional look. Use high-quality images and videos that are relevant to your message and audience. Break up large chunks of text with headings, subheadings, bullet points, and white space to improve readability. Ensure that your emails are mobile-friendly, as a significant portion of your audience will be viewing them on their smartphones. Test your emails across different devices and email clients to ensure they render correctly. A well-designed email not only enhances the reader experience but also reinforces your brand identity and increases the effectiveness of your message. Section 6. A call to action, guiding your audience towards engagement. Every email you send should have a clear and compelling call to action, or CTA. What do you want your audience to do after reading your email? Whether it's scheduling a consultation, downloading a resource, or browsing your latest listings, make it crystal clear what action you want them to take. Use strong action verbs that encourage clicks, such as schedule a consultation, download your free guide, or view our latest listings. Make your CTA button visually prominent by using contrasting colors and a clear, concise message. Place your CTA strategically within the email, ideally above the fold where it's immediately visible to the reader. Don't overwhelm your audience with too many CTAs. Stick to 1 or 2 primary actions per email to avoid confusion and increase conversion rates. By providing a clear path for your audience to take, you'll guide them towards engagement and ultimately drive the desired results. Section 7. Finding your frequency sweet spot, staying top of mind without overwhelming. Consistency is key in email marketing, but finding the right frequency can be a delicate balance. Email too often and you risk overwhelming your subscribers, leading them to unsubscribe. Email too infrequently, and you risk fading into the background. The ideal frequency varies depending on your audience, industry, and the type of content you send. Start by experimenting with different frequencies and monitor your open, click-through, and unsubscribe rates. Pay attention to your audience's engagement patterns. If you notice a decline in open rates or an increase in unsubscribes, it might be a sign that you're emailing too frequently. Segment your list and experiment with sending different types of emails at different frequencies. For example, you might send weekly market updates, monthly newsletters, and occasional promotional emails. By finding your frequency sweet spot, you'll stay top of mind without overwhelming your audience, nurturing those valuable relationships over time. Section 8. The data tells a story. Analyzing results for continuous improvement. Email marketing provides a wealth of data that can help you refine your strategy and improve your results over time. Don't just hit send and forget about it. Take the time to analyze your email metrics to understand what's working and what's not. Track key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and unsubscribe rates. Most email marketing platforms provide detailed analytics dashboards that make it easy to monitor these metrics. Identify trends and patterns in your data. Are there certain types of emails that perform better than others? Are there specific times of day or days of the week when your audience is more engaged? Use this data to refine your content, subject lines, calls to action, and sending frequency. Experiment with A/B testing to compare different versions of your emails and see what resonates best with your audience. By continuously analyzing your results and making data-driven decisions, you'll optimize your email marketing campaigns for maximum impact and ROI. Section 9. The gift of long-term growth. Cultivating relationships for lasting success. Email marketing is not a quick fix, but rather a long-term strategy for cultivating relationships and driving sustainable growth. By consistently providing value, building trust, and staying top of mind, you'll nurture those relationships over time, turning leads into clients and clients into loyal advocates. Remember, real estate is a relationship-driven business. People want to work with agents they know, like, and trust. Email marketing provides a powerful platform to build that foundation of trust and connection. By approaching email marketing with a long-term mindset, you'll reap the rewards of lasting relationships and a thriving real estate business. Stay patient, stay consistent, and never stop providing value to your audience. The more you nurture those relationships, the more successful you'll be in the long run. Section 10. Mastering email marketing. Your key to unlocking real estate success. In today's competitive real estate market, mastering email marketing is no longer optional. It's essential. By embracing the power of email, you can build stronger relationships, generate more leads, and ultimately close more deals. Remember, email marketing is a journey, not a destination. Start by building a strong foundation with a high-quality email list. Segment your audience, craft compelling content, and design visually appealing emails that inspire action. Find your frequency sweet spot, analyze your results, and continuously refine your strategy based on data-driven insights. By implementing the strategies outlined in this essay, you'll be well on your way to unlocking the full potential of email marketing and achieving lasting success in the dynamic world of real estate. Section 11. A partnership for success. Your journey to email marketing mastery. As you embark on your journey to email marketing mastery, remember that you don't have to go it alone. Partner with a trusted email marketing platform that offers the tools, resources, and support you need to succeed. Look for a platform that provides intuitive email builders, advanced segmentation capabilities, detailed analytics, and responsive customer support. With the right partner by your side, you can navigate the intricacies of email marketing with confidence and achieve your business goals. Remember, Email marketing is an investment in your business's long-term growth.